a taste for me some hot water cornbread. And plus, I'm showing my son how to make it. Got my boiling water. Need to add a little bit more. And, you know, just same with box cornbread. If you add too much water and it's too watery, then you just add some more cornmeal or flour. I got my rice over here on the stove, waiting for me so pretty. Can't do this with one hand, so that's about the consistency I want, so I can make balls. You know, kind of how you make meatballs, and then flatten it out like a patty. I put a tiny bit of salt in here and a tiny bit of sugar. You can do it just with yellow or white cornmeal by itself, but I always add just a little bit of flour. Q.
Yes.
Where you at? Oh, you gotta put the bacon in the microwave. I'm also showing him how to cook bacon in the microwave. 7 minutes. Start. So while my bacon is in the microwave, I got on my surgical glove because I'm finna get surgical. I needed a glove because this stuff is hot. Remember, I just put boiling hot water on it. And you can do it at the consistency you want. Is it too soft for me? I'm trying to feel with my hand because it looked like the perfect consistency. Ooh, and it is hot. I may have to wait a little bit. But you just mold it and then put it in the grease. I need both of my hands though. Q, hit stop on this camera for me. Cause I got this on. So I got Q recording because I needed both hands to mold. And gonna make it kind of flat, however big you want them. If it's falling apart, just add a little bit more cornmeal. But I'm gonna see if I can get this one in. They probably won't be perfect and pretty, but I'm gonna go ahead and put it in this grease.
What's that?
Hot water cornbread.
That's how
You can stay on the grease.
Ooh, popping bubbles.
So I'm gonna back up.
Why does it kind of look like you making chicken?
It looks like chicken.
Yeah, looks like chicken. Because kind of chicken looks like that.
Look like
when it's white.
hard
Hard.
cheese grits.
Cheese grits.
They do look like cheese grits a little bit.
Cheese grits.
I could have got it neater if I would have had a spatula and laid them out on the plate first.
You do have a spatula. Oh.
I know, I'm saying with me. Or you can just drop them in there and mold it with your fork or spoon later. Like, I can literally just do like this. And, you know, shape it how I want it in there.
Yeah, that way have to move.
Once some edges get crispy, that's when it's time to flip it.
It's still kind of like...
It's basically just fried bread, fried cornbread.
That's how you be making your cornbread.
Yeah, I be having a taste for this every now and then. I gotta get all that all in between my fingers. Alright, I'll show y'all how it looks once it's done. I told Q to go get me the spatula, but he wasn't fast enough. See how pretty and golden brown it is? On some edges, you can see the edges crispy. They're golden. Y'all already know who that is in the background. You see it's kind of messy. That's why I'm not taking these gloves off, because then I'm going to have to put some more back on to get the rest out. I'm not doing all that.
Bacon almost done.
34 seconds. Let's see if it's done or if we got to add another minute or two. Hopefully we didn't burn it. Still got some more left in the bowl. I decided to make some more just in case they wanted it. If they want to taste mine and then want some, I don't feel like sharing.
You can save some in the bowl.
I'm gonna cook all of this.
Oh,
That's what I'm saying. I made kind of a lot.
should have made them bigger.
You see, I'm struggling to make them small, so I should have made them bigger. Cause I should have added more cornmeal. Or you know what I could have did? I could have got the ice cream scooper and just scoop balls. Remember how I was just showing you I can make a ball to basically make a hush puppy?
Yeah.
I could have got the ice cream scooper and did that. And
What if it would have filled up with air instead of like
what?
the ball and then it would have popped?
You be thinking of the worst, most off the wall ish. I don't know, Q. What you think would have happened? Your eyes would have been gone. Is it time to flip? Any of those? I'm trying to get most of this cornmeal off my glove before I take the glove off. I don't want
probably that one right there.
Which one?
That one.
This
one?
one?
Yes. On camera, look like I'm pointing at that one. But you see the person doing it like that.
Kind of look like some oversized chicken nuggets.
Or fish.
They look like some of everything.
It's like chicken patties, cheese grits in the dough. Hash browns.
Yeah, that's what I was going to say first before you said cheese grits. Alright, I'm going to take this off. Alright, while Q over there surgically about to get the bacon ready. I got some dark ones and some light ones here.
I like my medium rare.
You would like yours medium rare?
Yes.
Alright. I told them when you flip, so if you're scared of the grease popping back in your face, flip it onto something. Rather it's chicken, cornbread. Yep, and then slide it off into the grease. The edges are crispy, so it's ready to flip. The line is super scared of grease.
All over the living room.
Somebody all the way in the living room. Ah! See, it just popped on my foot.
Ooh.
Back up, Soleil.
I am. I'm right here.
You know the worst way to get on your neck.
Ooh, that's real bad.
Yeah, it landed right on the top of my right foot. I felt it. I put some Vaseline on it. You on that side too?
I'm on this side.
You almost leaning behind the refrigerator. Where you going? We put the bacon on 7 minutes at first. Then another 4 minutes. Then another 3 minutes. Now he just put it on, what, 7? This microwave ain't by ish. Because I told him I remember the microwave my mom used to have. The dryer schedule, I saw you jump. She could put it on 6 minutes and that bacon was done and crispy. Let me see. Take the whole plate out.
Peachy?
No, take the plate out.
It's hot.
You got on the glove. Take the plate, boy.
It's glass. It's still hot. It's like really, really hot.
Hold on.
Yeah,
Get
glass
this.
is hot.
I'm thinking you trolling me. All right.
Some of them like that.
Right. Do another 3. Wait, it's still on 4. Just let it cook all the way back out. It's on 4 minutes and what, 59 seconds?
Yeah.
I'm about to go ahead and turn the aisle. Turn the aisle for me. And that one light stand on that side. So this one is biracial. You want to try the biracial cornbread or the African American cornbread or the Latino cornbread? Which one you want to try? Or the European? Because we have some European ones over here too.
Look for the charcoal.
I was gonna say, well, y'all know Haitian cornbread. Now, what I was gonna say, the pork chops I did, those are definitely Haitian. And I forgot about them. They was you. Your cover. Why you trying to troll? I'm curious to taste. I ain't did hot water cornbread in so long. And I normally turn off the eye earlier than that. Like way before. When I know it's about done. just so this grease can be done cool down because I got little children. But I'm gonna move this on the back eye anyway, just in case Sarai come in here. You know, they'll grab the pot thinking there's something in there to look in there, and then all this grease fall right on them. Tragic.
So I'll come in here trying to grab the whole.
She don't know no better. But that's why I always used to not terrorize or traumatize her, but let her know. Anytime she come in the kitchen, I'd be like, you feel that? You see that? You feel that heat? That's hot. Hot, hot, hot. It's gonna burn you. Your hand gonna fall off. You got to scare them a little bit. Okay, move that frying pan to that back eye for me, please, sir. That one back there, yeah. Oh my God, Q is so reckless. When I tell y'all, now you gotta get a dish rag and clean that grease up. Why you standing there talking about you know? He didn't even put the pan all the way on the eye and it flipped backwards and spilled. If that eye was hot, he would have just caused the grease fire. I tell him this all the time and he don't listen. He like careless and reckless. He almost dropped the hot water too. And I was like, if that was boiling hot, you would have been messed up. Okay. I'm gonna try this little piece. Soleil. Soleil. Come here. Sarai. Ooh, it's hot. Ooh.
What's that? That looks like chicken.
Taste that. Hold on, it's hot. Don't taste it yet. And let me know how it tastes. It's hot though. Sarai always looking bucky. Stop doing your teeth like that. She be looking like a darn bunny rabbit. You like it?
No.
You don't like it? You could be honest.
No.
No?
No, yes, kind of.
Girl.
It's kind of good.
Sarai, you like it?
Tastes dry.
No.
It's dry.
But you chewing it though. You eating it.
To be honest, it's kind of dry. It is.
Did she say and is?
Yes.
You know what? I ain't staying so late. I ain't giving you no more camera time.
Camera time.
Sarai, do you like it?
Yes.
You gotta like some. You steady biting and chewing.
She like everything.
You don't want it?
I do.
But I thought you just said you don't like it. So why you keep eating it?
I do.
Get out of my kitchen. When it's done, not cute. Probably need more paper towels though. Golly.
What?
That
That's
grease.
bacon?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Oh, this for me though.
yeah.
What?
I want bacon too.
Some of it.
Let's see.
Mm.
You put it out with your.
This is a napkin. The napkin's not hot.
No, I'm looking at the thing that you pull it out with.
Ooh, that plate is hot. Tough my
Mine was so sweet. Ooh, bacon. What does that bacon have?
Bubbles.
Yeah.
That's grease. And bacon.
I don't like how that.
Wait, me.
You don't like that?
Wait, pick up for me.
Ooh. Oh, don't eat it. Why you sitting there talking about, ugh, he
I'm
always
talking about the
ugh.
bubbles.
Let's see. Ooh, bacon.
We gotta break this up. And this is my little snack, y'all. It's not dinner, it's a snack. But I think personally, I would have added more sugar. I like my cornbread sweet every now and then. If I have a taste for something sweet, that's why I like Jiffy cornbread so much. Just add a little bit more sugar. See, to me, this just basically tastes like a hush puppy. That's all it tastes like. I could taste a little bit of salt I put in there, but it tastes like a hush puppy. Hope y'all are having a great Tuesday night or whenever you're watching this video. Toodles.